One trade, one target, clean exit. June experiment day 5. Let's get into it. Today is Monday, 8th of June 2026 Nifty non-expiry session. Market opened with almost 1% gap down. Now when market opens with a gap this size, my first thought is always gap filling. After a big gap down, some recovery almost always happens. And that gap filling move, that was my plan for today. Market opened gap down at this level and made a good green candle at the opening itself. Weekly support of 23,100 was acting as a support. I entered a PE sell trade in 23,150 PE. Logic, gap filling move was expected upwards. But before deciding my target, I noticed one important thing. 23,200, a significant resistance zone, was sitting just above. Now the gap had the scope to fill all the way to previous day low, but 23,200 was a barrier in between. And in a gap filling trade, being conservative makes more sense than being greedy. So I kept my target at 23,200, not previous day low, not a bigger level. Just 23,200, the nearest significant resistance. Conservative, defined and clear. Trade initially moved in my direction, but then some swings came in. Market pulled back, retested the 23,150 zone and held. That retest holding was important. It confirmed that buyers were still defending that level. And after the retest, market moved cleanly upwards. As soon as Nifty touched 23,200, I exited. No waiting, no hoping for more. Target was 23,200, 23,200 was hit. Exit taken. Overall profit from this trade was 8,000. Now, the gap had more room to fill after 23,200. Market did continue upwards after my exit, but after making lots of sharp pullbacks. But 23,200 was a clear resistance, and in a conservative gap filling trade, that was the right place to exit. Additionally, 30 points rule was also getting fulfilled, so no regrets. One trade for the day, overall profit 8,000. Clean entry, some swings, patient retest, clean exit. Exactly how a gap filling trade should be executed. Two lessons from today. Pehla lesson, in gap filling trades, identify the barriers before deciding your targets. Today the gap had scope to fill all the way to previous day low, but 23,200 was sitting in between, a clear resistance zone. Ignoring that level and targeting previous day low would have been greedy. Identifying it and targeting it conservatively, that was the right approach. Dusra lesson, a retest that holds is a confirmation, not a reason to panic. When market pulled back to 23,150 during the trade, that could have caused an early exit. But that retest held, and after it held, move continued cleanly. Patience during the retest, that is what gave the full profit. June experiment day 5, one clean trade. Subscribe to follow along as the experiment continues. Let's improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.